This is not our usual stock, it's an Astra. It's a Cat D on the insurance. That's why it's priced very, very low. But on looking at and appraising the vehicle, it's in very, very good condition. Looks nothing like a Cat D car. I'll go round it thoroughly for you so you can see how it all lines up there. Paintwork, it's in lovely condition. There's just a little bit on the alloys. It's got rear parking sensors as well. But overall it's in lovely condition. Boot area is in good condition. It's got the full leather interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got aux and a USB, 6-speed gearbox. It's on 62,049 miles. Just get this all up for you. It's got satellite navigation. Phone for Bluetooth, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control. It really is in good condition. You wouldn't tell it's been a Cat D. So if you'd like any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.